In this video, you will see how to remove horizontal line in Word 2016 that cannot be deleted. There are three methods to delete this horizontal line. In the first method, you can click above the line, press and hold Shift button on your keyboard, and then press the downward arrow key and then press delete to delete the line. If this method doesn't work for you, then you need to go here. Under the Home tab, you will see the option of borders. Click on the small downward triangle and select the option border and shading. In this window, make sure you have clicked on the borders and then click on none and then click on OK. So this is the second method, and the third method is a shortcut. You can go back to this borders option and then select no border. Basically this line is a border and we are removing the border. So selecting no border will also delete or remove the horizontal line in Word 2016. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to Microsoft Word.